I'm gonna take you for a ride. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna take you for a ride. Yeah. Hello everyone, it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Harriet. And today, we are going to be taking a look at the latest Viva Max original movie, clocking in at almost 1 hour, Tahong. Yes, sexual innuendo movie Tahong. Oh, next, Talaba. Yun. I'm surprised na first time ba ito na may tahong na title na alam mo dapat yung mga old school na bold meron eh. And we got Trike Patrol's Salome Salvi here. We last see her doing nothing sa Ahas. Yeah, what a waste of Salome Salvi. Napag ko yung napag ko yung collaboration nila ni Tor Johnson sa The Hub. Pretty sweet. Pero since Viva Max to, medyo nerf talaga si Salome Salvi. Like, nerf. She can't do her wildest things, unlike in The Hub. Speaking of Tor Johnson, kamukha niya yung asawa ni Ronda Rousey. We also have the Mega Mole here, Candy Veloso. Laki na nunal niya. Ewan ko kung tatanggalin niya. Ayan. So, if you like the review of Tahong, I want you all to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Harriet. And what I'm gonna do here, may meeting ako in 2 p.m. EST, 2 a.m. Manila time. I'm gonna do something really different dito na approach, and I'll try to finish this review and then I will jump into the meeting. Di man ako nagsasalita masyado sa meeting na yun eh. Okay, so Tahong is about a magtatahong. Itong si Mira, yung para sa Encantadia, Mira and Lira. So si Mira, yung same name nung anak ni ni Perena, di ba? Yan, she is played by Candy Veloso, at yung kanyang boyfriend ay si Goyo. Ngayon, virgin itong si Mira at ayaw niyang pa insert yung sausage ni Goyo, kaya ginagawa ni Goyo, kinikiskis na lang. Kiskisan 2, Tahong Bugalu. Ayun. So, dahil protected yung virginity ni Mira, consider naman to si Goyo. He's a man of principle. At ito ay ginagampanan ni John Mark Marcia. We last saw in Sisid Marino. I'm totally certain they're the same characters. Diba? Ay, mangingisda parehas at alam ko mangingisda rin si John Mark Marcia sa Sisid Marino. Do better, boy. Do better. Ayun. Okay, so na-stroke yung tatay ni Mira dahil gigibain yung palaisdaan, palatahungan, the muscle breeding ground, gigibain kung saan sila nagtatrabaho. And the only way that itong si Mira to get some help is to seek the most powerful guy in town, yung kapitan ng barangay. Hindi yung mayor, yung kapitan. Dito natin nakita si Talia, that is the character Salome Salvi is playing. It is implied she is bisexual here. Bisexual. Tapos, yun. Una, tinanggi ni Talia na i-accommodate ang request ni Mira na makipagkita kay Barangay Captain Douglas, played by Emil Sandoval. Pero, nakita ni Emil at gusto niya manyakin itong si Mira, di ginawa siyang intern dun sa barangay hall. At first day ni Mira sa barangay hall, ayun, alam mo na yung ginalaw yung pinaglaruan na niya yung kanyang sausage dahil nakita yung puwet, tapos pinahid yung ganun sa tissue. Galing. Excellent story. Tapos, ano, birthday ni Kapitan, nilasing niya tong si Mira, tapos pinasigarilyo. And, ayun, dun napunta sa something. Nagkaroon ng happening kay Mira tuloy. Uh, when it comes to when it comes to the execution ng pelikula, it's pretty fast but slow at the same time. Pero parang nagugulat na lang ako, wait, there's still time left? Yeah. So, na-stroke nga tong yung tatay ni Mira. So, kapalit ng mga serbisyo para maligtas yung pinagtatrabahuan nila Mira at ang tatay niya alisin yung puri. So, minamolestya ni Kapitan itong si Mira every time na sa office. Ito naman si Salome Salvi, si Talia, nakita niya yung dalawa nagkatalik tapos pinaglaruan rin yung sarili niya. Hindi siya nagsusot ng bra. Nasa barangay hall siya, ba't di siya nagsusot ng bra? Ah well, okay, so on the next phase of this movie, inis itong si Goyo kasi libog na libog siya kasi gusto niya makita si gusto niya makatalik itong si Mira. Tetawagan niya si Mira habang nasa barangay, habang nasa birthday, di siya sumasagot. And we get the lamest line in this movie, pagod na pagod ako. Yun lang sinasabi ni Mira all the way. Pagod na pagod ako, Goyo. Pagod na pagod ako, Goyo. And ayun. Nagalit si Goyo kasi may similya doon sa ari ni Mira sa panty niya. And they broke up. Nainis si Mira, gusto niya i-break yung relationship niya kay Cap. At ayun, nasisanti tuloy si Mira for making a scene. Isang gabi, inaalagaan ni Mira yung tatay niya, nagsuka siya, and she found out that she is pregnant. Obviously, dahil virgin siya, at ang unang nakatira sa kanya ay si Barangay Captain. Si Barangay Captain yung tatay, pero tinatanggi ng tatay, at pinagmumuri niya tong si Mira. Ayun. I don't want to get demonetized, kaya di ko na sabihin, pero pinagmumura niya si Mira. And ayun, nag-hire ng hitman itong si Kapitan and pinatay yung tatay ni Mira habang si Mira nakipag-ayos kay Goyo at nagtalik sila as iniwan siya ni Goyo sa bangka. Nakita ni Mira patay, nakahandusay na yung tatay niya and lumusob siya sa barangay hall. Wala si Cap pero ang umalalay sa kanya ay itong si Talia, and Talia na in love kay Mira at naging sila. And buti naman pumayag si Candy Veloso na supsupin yung boobs niya kay Salome Salvi, pero yeah, it's a pretty much nerf Salome Salvi dito. So maikli nga yung bisexual lesbian lex sila say gex. So, nilason ni Mira sa ni Talia itong si Douglas via tahong. Tahong rin pala yung papatay sa masamang damo. At naging barangay captain itong si Talia at future first lady niya itong si Mira. At yeah, wala nangyari kasi hindi numusod yung kaso kasi naging barangay captain. Apparently kung barangay captain ka, nakakalusot ka sa krimen. Ayun. And that is how the movie Tahong ended. So what do I think? It's pretty much straightforward pero poverty corn, yun yung sabi ko dito. It's John Mark Marcia playing the same role as the guy from Sisid Marino doesn't help this movie a lot. Is pretty parang mahal. Yun is pretty much the same guy across two movies. Yun. So, I'm going to give Tahong Ito yung unang ano ni Tahong eh. Salome Salvi. I'm going to give Tahong a plus an old man having sex with a younger woman doesn't help the case. I'm going to give Tahong a copium tier. So I'm not really into it. Baka sa inyo kung talagang L na L na kayo, gusto niyo ano. Pero ako hindi. There's lot of mga ends na hindi pa na-resolve ba. Like ano nangyari kay Goyo, di ba? Tapos naiwanan na lang yung kaso ni ano. Naiwanan na lang yung kaso ni Nino yun. Ano na iwan na kaso? Yung pinatay si Douglas. Strong sex scene, yung birthday, that's pretty good, but I've seen it a lot of times. I've seen a lot of old men uh, hitting up younger women in Viva Max to give this a higher tier. So yeah, I think it's only fair. Serves it right to give it copium. And this Friday, next Friday yung ating next review, and it will be Tatsulok, starring Marian Saint and Sky Gonzaga. I think that's gonna be good. Sino yung kasama nila dito? Tingnan natin. John Mark Marcia. Ikaw na round 2. Oh, bawi ka, bawi ka, John and Marcia. Buti man yun. It's time to make bawi. At least it's a different character. Okay, this is your boy, the God Gamer. Goodbye and good night, virgins and freaks. Bang!